Hey Spear Boosters, if I'm looking kind of crazy, it's because I don't have my glasses on and I can barely, I'm squinching, can't see good. Never mind that piece of tissue I have stuck in my breast because they're sweaty. Hi Spear Boosters, welcome back to the channel. Don't mind me looking crazy because I don't have my glasses on and I really can't see. I don't know where my glasses are at this time. But I just want to say hello. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. And for all you looky-loos, passy-bys, trollees, visitors, if you got that guts, the nerve, the courage, the bravery, just say hello. And if you want to go further, subscribe. I appreciate it. Also, don't forget you guys to subscribe to my gardening channel and to all the Spirit Boosters that have gone over there and subscribed to my gardening channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I'm struggling. I'm struggling every day, just like anybody else on this thing. Trying to bring you interesting, entertaining content. So here I am. Just got back from running errands, and I'm about to show you guys a little haul on top of the stove. And some few things that we picked up. Ain't nothing better than having some refreshments to come home to as a treat, because I can't drink soft, let me see, pops or soft drinks often because I gotta watch my health and bringing health up. Yesterday's video included comments, concerns about folks that have disability, that live their life in pain or whatever they suffer from, whatever their disability is. And I am not, let me get this straight, put this out here first. I am not a spokesperson for the ADA or disability, folks with disabilities. I just know that if you are in pain and you trying to do whatever you try to do while in pain, people just need to know before you start judging and criticizing folks about what should and can be done, and should and would be done and gotta be done. Just, I know a lot of folks are not gonna probably hear this part, or don't even get through my video or whatever, but for the people that are listening, you have to consider why folks don't do things the same way you or someone else would do it. It's because they're in freaking pain, or they got some kind of disability that makes them unable to take care of the business that you do so simply and so quickly and very often. Like y'all see me, I tell you, show you my mess, what I got to do. I take my time, and most times, sometimes I'm in pain while I'm doing these things, and afterwards when I'm finished, boy, I'm suffering. I'm even hurting more, but I don't have a maid and I don't have anybody to, to help me do these things like I would like them to do it. So I have to do it myself as best I can. Like, I appreciate all you guys that come through knowing who I am, what I'm about, how I run my channel. And I appreciate you guys that continue to come back and enjoy my content, and enjoy me as a person who I am, and getting to know me on this YT journey. And that's about all I'm trying to say as a person, just showing you guys I'm on the video today. I got on my little cool t-shirt. It's like 90 degrees out here in my part of Southern California. And I told my husband, after we get out of these streets, it's nice to come on to ice water, some bottled ice water, some ice. Personally, I'm glad we have an ice maker. Everybody don't have one. You got ice cubes put in there. Shoot, all that's good. All that's good. Then some sodas and stuff, like I said, soft drinks, pop, all that stuff is good for me every now and then. That's what I'm about to show you. I got some soda and stuff like that, and then some other stuff I'm going to share with you. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I just want to come in, share my old face, let y'all see my mug. I'm mugging. I ain't doing too much smiling because I don't have that pretty grill like I used to have when I was a younger woman. So all I do is grin with my lips, my full body lips. But anyway, let me turn this camera around so y'all can see what I got to share today. Here we go. Well, I don't know how to turn the camera around. It's ridiculous. Hey, Spirit Boosters, it is I, Janita. Turning the camera around now. Y'all can see what I'm talking about, what I got up there. Oh, it's a glare on that bacon. Let me go this way. Okay, my husband and I, we enjoyed that fully cooked bacon. It's good. And it will be amazing on some cheeseburger, hamburgers, breakfast burritos, or just breakfast with pancake. Oh, yes, I enjoy. That's my first time having fully cooked bacon. That stuff is good. Y'all didn't say so. But yeah, okay, y'all see the soft drinks I have? Other day I showed y'all I had my husband some mini cans of Pepsi. He wanted the mini cans, but I wanted to get the mini. Oh, that reminds me. Y'all know on Walmart, on my online Walmart, they won't let you give up 1 or 2 things of soda. They got a limit. They rationing out the soda, y'all, on Walmart. I love y'all still, Walmart. Shout out to Walmart because I love your prices. Good for my pocket. Oh, I did probably say, that's how y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Looky-loos, passy-bys, trolleys, visitors. Have the guts, the nerves. Be brave enough, the guts, to just say hello. And if you won't, you think you bad, you bad, as Michael Jackson would say, I bet you won't subscribe. I bet you won't. Watch. I can count. And if you do, thank you. Okay, moving on. Y'all see I got some Coke Zero. I got some regular Pepsi. I finally got me some Canada Dry. I think that's Canada Dry Zero too. And I got some zero sugar A&W root beer because I was thinking about root beer floats and all that stuff came to mind. I was like, whoa, that gonna be a treat whenever I get around to it. And I got some of these yams, sweet potatoes, because I had the craving for a sweet potato pie. Now that remind me I gotta make my own crust because guess what? They keep running out of the Pillsbury pie crust in that box. And the price went up on it too. So that discourages me from purchasing it all together. I can't be paying that much. I just use my box items or my homemade from scratch pie crust because I've done it before. And I just got to write down stuff how I made it perfectly so I can do that every single time. The purpose of a recipe, right? Right? Okay. But anyway, y'all, this is my little haul I got up here. I'm loving it because whenever I want a treat, a nice Coke Zero, Coca-Cola. I ain't never really used to drink Coca-Cola, but Coca-Cola to me is stronger than Pepsi. My husband said he liked the Pepsi better than the Coke, but Coca-Cola got a stronger, more intense flavor. I like Coca-Cola. A lot of people buy Coca-Cola more than anything, but that Pepsi, fine. I gotta retaste Pepsi. But I don't think I got any Pepsi Zero though. I just got regular Pepsi. You know I would have to get even a half a teaspoon of that to give me a sugar. Ain't gonna give me no sugar attack. But anyway, y'all see up here I got the bacon. Did I tell you about the bacon? Let me tell you what I got. I got that Hormel Black Label established 18. See, I'm doing all this because some folks was complaining about did they have to guess what was up here on this stove, and I mentioned that on that particular day, if it wasn't placed right on the stove where you could fully see it, which I make sure that you could see what it is. You probably might need some glasses, or you might need to pull up closer to the video to see like that, because I'm doing the best I can. And if I work in pain, this is what you're gonna get if I'm working in pain, okay? I know sometime I have to keep saying this because I know the regulars, they're going to be like, quit saying that, but newbies don't know. See, people come through your channel. Y'all don't know everybody. I don't know everybody. New people come through and watch. That's what I call the looky-loos and the visitors. And the passy-bys. Now, the trolleys, that's a different subject. Okay. But anyway, y'all, yeah, my husband and I, we like this fully cooked bacon. I think I did, but I don't know if I said the name. So we got this Hormel established 1891 Black Label. See, I was doing that because some people saying they don't know what stuff is saying, so I'm reading the actual wording on the product. So Black Label, ready to eat, naturally hardwood smoked, fully cooked, original. What did that say? Original, 100% real cut bacon. Look at that bacon sandwich. See that bacon sandwich on there? And I got the regular great value. Hey, great value. Shout out to Walmart. Y'all great value products are the bomb. And y'all fully cooked, thick cut bacon is delicious. I enjoyed it. My husband enjoyed it. It was good. It was so good. So now I know when I ain't got the time to do the raw bacon, I just throw that in the microwave, heat it up a little bit. It got instructions on the box. When you get something, y'all can know the instructions. I'm not going to do all that. But yeah, y'all see the Coke Zero. I think I was last talking about Coke Zero. Is so delicious, good and stuff. Even though it don't have no sugar in it, it tastes like it got sugar in it. But it's good. I love that Coke Zero. I love Coca-Cola. But yeah, this is my whole. Oh yeah, I know what I'm trying to tell y'all. The gas going back up, y'all. The gas is going back up. My husband went out today. My husband and I went out on errands today, and we passed by several gas stations, and some of the gas stations has $6.50, $6.79, going back up to $7. So I told y'all something about to happen, something about to happen, something about to happen, something did happen. The gas is going back up, so if you got a few dollars, you might need to go fill your tank up before it start affecting your air and everything start going back up. I even passed by this, not passed by, I checked out for a few minutes one of these prepper channel. And this guy, according to him, allegedly, we about to get nuked like yesterday. So he was saying, you better go get what you need, get some food. Hey, we gonna get nuked, what food gonna do? Allegedly, y'all. But truthfully, if we about to get nuked, what is some groceries gonna do for us? You need to be saying you need to start digging a hole in the ground or something, huh? And who got the strength for that? I know I ain't. I ain't got no strength for no hole. And my husband, he ain't about to go out there and dig no hole by himself and have it ready in time for tomorrow's nuke, okay? So yeah, some of these preppers, it's kind of disturbing, some of the stuff that's out there. But hey, it's like yesterday we was done and gone and destroyed. I don't mean to laugh, but hey, that was yesterday. Today is a new day, right? We still here. I'm still making this video. But anyway, we don't know what's going to happen because it's going back and forth. And you know dang well the government is not sharing with us what's happening in between the army and all that old stuff. They ain't telling us all that, because then the people that they're going to be up against going to know the plan too. You can't let everybody know the plan. So here we are, people that's sharing their opinion and getting their information from their sources, they call them preferred sources, that let them know what the heck is going on in the street and what you need to be doing. And I go on and check them out, because hey, why not? Ain't got nothing else to do but read the prepper channels, like my invitation prepper channel. Y'all come through. Hey, I like grocery shopping. I love grocery shopping. That's why I be telling, I ask the grocery shopping people that come through, passing-by, visitors, looking loose, to subscribe and invite me to subscribe to your channel, because hey, we enjoy the same thing. We got the same interests. Don't let people convince you otherwise and say stuff that's not true to make you not want to visit somebody's channel. Now hey, Miss Janita ain't doing nothing but over here doing videos about food. And if I got anything to report news, like I told you about the gas, y'all already know the food going up every single day. It ain't getting any cheaper. Like I need to find some celery seeds. Let me tell you that, because I can't see myself paying over $2 for celery. Come on now, I gotta find who know where I can get some celery. And you know what, you guys, y'all gonna slap me, shoot me. I just went out again, and I was supposed to go by the post office, and I didn't go. And I didn't go check and see about my packages. I'm gonna have to I don't know. I'm gonna see if my daughter can go by there. I don't know. Y'all, I got to go to the P.O. box. I got to get by there. Sorry, people that if y'all say y'all sent something, I ain't made it over there yet. Hey, y'all know how old I am. Y'all know about my condition. It take me a lot to get ready and get out that door. And forgive me, I forgot to go by the post office. I ain't doing this so far. I really forgot. I just reminded myself talking about the errands and stuff. Now I'm so disappointed in me because I wanted to go get my stuff. Well, anyway, I'm going to see if my husband go and get it. He might feel like it. If he feeling good, he might go get it. We have to go do it together. I don't know. But let me get off here. I just want to come through here and share with y'all what's happening. That gas going up. That's why them long lines is out there. I told y'all about them long lines. And now I'm telling y'all, let's do a dang, I forgot what you call it. A recap, whatever, going over whatever I just said. Y'all heard the message. Y'all know the tip is stay in survival mode, crisis mode, fair game mode, last plate mode, prepper mode for sure. And these preppers out here in the streets, some of them might be rumors, some might be true and untrue, I don't know. But I just do know that crazy stuff is going on and something gonna happen, something gonna happen. And you just want to be prepared, so stay prepared. Shout out to my gardening people. I know this ain't the gardening channel. What the heck is wrong with me? Shout out to my spirit booster. Don't y'all forget to come to my gardening channel. And thank you for the people that did. I got to get out here because I'm tired. I got to go rest. I got to put this video up. Then I got to go over to my garden channel and put that video up. I'm doing good with my garden. Okay, y'all. Keep reporting what's happening in the streets. Thanks for watching. And remember, think before you speak when you talk about why somebody ain't doing something. Because remember, they might be hurt. They might get disability. They might go through a lot of stuff. And they ain't thinking about what you thinking about.